Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. May Almighty Allah bless you all and always stay happy. So first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel Modern Decor. I am requesting you please watch the video fully from start to end to get amazing and fabulous and stunning ideas for your home decoration. So in this video I will show you balcony tables ideas for your home decoration. I am providing you stunning, unique and outstanding ideas and designs for your home decoration. So watch this video till end. These designs are outstanding and unique. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon below for the latest designs and ideas. I will bring you many more ideas for your home decoration. These designs ideas will surely impress you by their unique quality, simple, unique and definitely awesome example you can choose to put at your home and to decorate your home. So friends, if you love this video, share it with your friends and lovely family members. So please do like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon below for new designs and ideas. I'll be back soon with a new interesting video. So stay connected with me and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.